Page 180, Promoting Occupational Health. The promotion and development of workers' health to be completely healthy and to work effectively has three principles as follows. 1. Prevention. This means preventing illness by maintaining good health. This also includes working with care and knowing how to prevent danger in the workplace, which workers must do with care, such as wearing goggles or protection while working in toxic areas. Arrange the working condition to be safe and avoid any behavior that is a risk to cause danger, etc. 2. Promotion. This means encouraging workers to have good physical and mental health. This can be done by encouraging knowledge and understanding by setting up activities or offering some welfare services, inviting workers to participate. Page 181. 3. Correction. This means adjusting or improving working conditions, environment, or behaviors that may harm or deteriorate worker health, such as improving ventilation in the workplace, reducing pollution in the workplace, etc. Promoting occupational health can be done as follows. Setting up appropriate working environment. Environment is a key factor that makes people have lives with quality and make both physical and mental health develop in an appropriate way at both home and workplace. The environment is an important place for living, so it should be well managed, kept clean, and safe. Light, temperature, and proper facilities should be appropriate to make everyone happy. Maintaining and taking care of health. To make physical and mental conditions healthy and strong, workers need to take care of themselves to avoid illness by consuming good food and washing their bodies, clothes, and utensils regularly. If you feel weak or something is wrong, you should see a doctor. A medical checkup should be every 6 months or at least once a year to prevent health problems or solve symptoms as soon as they occur. Page 182. Exercise regularly. Exercise is a way to strengthen the body, boost the immune system, and relieve emotional tension. Exercise for each individual may vary depending on one's body, gender, age, or personal preferences. Exercise is a good method for maintaining both good physical and mental health because it is inexpensive and brings maximum benefits. Be optimistic. Avoid any criticism or blame of other people. Try to focus on the good things of others around us. This will make us live with hope and tranquility. Pessimism will further aggravate stress, which negatively impacts mental and physical health. Learn how to plan and manage time appropriately. Lack of planning will lead to failure in the workplace, confusion, forgetfulness, and a sense of that one's own responsibility that has not been done. Planning will lead to proper time management and allow you to prioritize work appropriately. Avoid all types of drugs, such as alcohol, cigarettes, amphetamines, marijuana, or heroin, because all these things negatively impact health. Page 183. Rest adequately. Rest is good for relaxation of the body and mind. The best way to rest is to sleep because sleep will make the working of all organs decrease. Body and mind will be fresh after sleep. Besides sleeping, there are a lot of ways to rest depending on individual preference of interest, such as reading books, listening to music, planting trees, or going out. Learn to be patient, to forgive. Lack of patience, forgiveness, will cause anger and frustration. Anger affects ourselves and the people around us. When we are angry or frustrated, it increases the heartbeat, blood pressure, and harms both physical and mental health. Page 184. Exercise to promote good health at work. Jobs at any office mostly involve sitting or standing for long periods of time, especially jobs that require use of the computer in which one has to sit for long periods of time, causing muscle strain and stress. A little exercise at the desk can help relieve tension caused by being in one position all day. 1. During working hours, workers should change postures, gestures, and switch to do different things to rest the body and mind. 2. Work with reasonable speed, because if you work too fast, it may cause muscle fatigue, but if too slow, it may cause boredom. 3. Take your eyes away from the computer occasionally to look at an object at far distance to rest the eyes. 4. Rest periodically to reduce stress in muscles and eyes by standing and making little movement or change to another activities. 5. Relax and contract muscles by doing some exercise. Page 185. Extend arms with both hands together, palms up, and stretch arms up overhead with the straight back. Roll your shoulders by hanging the arms beside the body, then lift the shoulder up and rotate it frontwards. Then move the shoulder to normal position and relax after that. Repeat, but in the opposite direction. Swing feet by separating the feet apart, lifting toes up and heels on the floor, and then legs back and forth. Tilt the body by hanging arms beside the body and move the body to the left and right alternately. Page 186. Bend your back by keeping chin down and lifting a leg from floor. Bend your back until your nose touches the knee. Stretch your ankle by lifting a leg from the floor and stretching it. Bend at an angle with the toe up and press the ankle parallel to the ground. Repeat this with the other ankle. Lift your legs by sitting on a chair without leaning back. Rest both soles of your feet flat to the floor. Lift a leg from the floor and stretch it until the sole is 2 to 3 inches above the floor. Hold it for a while and repeat these steps with the other leg. Close the eyes. For workers who use computers, by using your palms. Close the eyes but do not press on the eyes. Then move the eyeballs and breath about 8 to 9 times. Then remove your hands, open the eyes, and blink for a while.